This is an assumptions question. The implicitly stated conclusion is that the liquid waste generated this year will be 70% of the last year's liquid waste. The missing link is between the separation reducing the total volume of waste to 70% of the last year's volume and the conclusion that the liquid waste this year will be 70% of the liquid waste last year. Our broad expectation from the correct answer choice is that it should strengthen this conclusion through a valid assumption, which fills the missing link and has to be true for the conclusion to hold. Answer choice A. The argument is concerned with waste that is to be dissolved. And the argument mentions that certain separation policies will ensure that what can be reused, repaired, or recycled would not land up as waste. So in other words, the argument implies that no piece of electronic waste that could be reused, repaired, or recycled will be dissolved. So this piece of information is already mentioned in the argument. This answer choice adds no new information and hence does not strengthen the conclusion. Also note that the phrase no piece indicates an extreme answer choice and is too strong to be a valid assumption. Additionally, this answer choice does not have to be true for the conclusion to hold. So this answer choice cannot be an assumption. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B. The argument is concerned with the volume of liquid waste because of separation, whereas this answer choice talks about the cost of separation. So this answer choice is out of scope. Also, this answer choice does not have to be true for the conclusion to hold, and so this answer choice cannot be a valid assumption. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C. This answer choice says that this year the electronic waste collected will have a larger proportion of reusable, repairable, or recyclable waste as compared to the last year. The argument mentions that this year there will be a separation of the waste that can be reused, repaired, and recycled, and after the separation, whatever remains would be dissolved. So this answer choice indicates that because of the larger proportion of a particular type of waste this year, the waste to be dissolved, which would come after this separation, would be a smaller proportion than that last year. In other words, this answer choice indicates that the waste to be dissolved will have a lower total volume this year as compared to last year. However, this information of reduction in total volume is already mentioned in the argument. So this answer choice does not add any new information and does not strengthen the conclusion. Also, this answer choice cannot be an assumption because it does not have to be true for the conclusion to hold. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D. This answer choice says that this year the total waste collected will not be larger in quantity than that collected last year. If the 2 years the total waste collected is similar, it indicates that after separation of the waste that will be reused, repaired, or recycled, this year there will be a reduction in the total volume of waste. However, the argument already mentions that there will be a reduction in total volume of waste. So again, this answer choice adds no new information and does not strengthen the conclusion. Also, this answer choice does not have to be true for the conclusion to hold, and hence it cannot be an assumption. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E. The argument mentions that the total volume of waste to be dissolved this year will be 70% of that last year. If the liquid waste per unit volume is no more than that in the last year, it indicates that the total liquid waste produced this year will not exceed 70% of the total liquid waste last year. So this answer choice strengthens the conclusion. Also, this answer choice has to be true for the conclusion to hold, because if there is more liquid waste per unit volume this year than last year, it indicates that even if the total volume of waste comes down to 70%, the liquid waste dissolved from that volume may be greater than 70% of the liquid waste from last year. So negating this answer choice weakens the conclusion, and so E is the correct answer choice.